Okay, this is also amazing. Today, on the 14th of March 2025, and we have Eskolantie, 16 staircase was death.
Yeah.
Also here in Pukinmäki, Laakahäskis Finland built in 1983 with the impinate fixtures and 2710 with 5 floors.
Yeah.
But they don't remember yet.
Yeah. 8 staircases and 6 elevators here.
Oh. Yes, so two staircases don't have that.
Yeah.
It doesn't need the memory.
Yeah.
But that's what it had because when it started, but maybe that's a simple one.
Yeah. Split by lifting stort maintained by hiss.
Today, so far we have done 18 impinate elevators, more than an hour.
Yeah.
It's an impinate day today.
Yeah.
We still have a few more to check.
Yeah.
And that's it, thank you very much.
That's